Cows, a farm animal that produce the majority of the world's dairy at about 6 to 7 gallons a day, seem both cute as well as useful, and for the most part they are, but it's no secret that they're crucial producers of greenhouse gases, and they pose a serious threat to our climate. Every time a cow burps, it releases a product called methane, a greenhouse gas that is 80 times more powerful than CO2 over a 20-year period. This process is called enteric fermentation, where microbes in a cow's gut break down food to produce methane as a byproduct. Livestock are actually responsible for about 14.5% of all human-related greenhouse gas emissions, and methane from ruminants, which is one of the top 3 drivers of climate change globally. Let me introduce you to one seaweed solution that has shown enormous promise. Asparagopsis, a red seaweed, can cut cow methane up to 99% with just 2% added to the cow feed. This is because of certain compounds that it contains naturally. Its scaling is tough, and it needs expensive aquaculture. It costs 30 cents per cow daily and wipes out nearly half the population for small farms. It works, but it's not yet affordable, nor is it accessible. So we have an alternative, one that's cheap and gives farmers a real reason to buy it. Meet brown seaweed. More specifically, dicotica. It's a sea plant that's abundant, fast-growing, and can reduce almost as much methane as asparagopsis, while being far more economically sound. Dicotica has significant nutritional potential while being one of the most abundantly growing plants across multiple seas. Since supply is ubiquitous, it's budget-friendly while still offering the same 93% methane reduction efficiency. Its process is simple. We take the seaweed, process it to remove microbes, and grind it into a powder to add to feed. It contains unique antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties that may improve gut and immune health in cattle. It's also rich in PUFAs like EPA and arachidonic acid, which support metabolism and further reduce inflammation. Since methane production wastes energy during digestion, cutting it can save up to 10 to 11% of the cow's energy, meaning more milk and more gains for farmers.
Plus, Dictyota is more environmentally friendly than Asparagopsis, releasing far fewer halogenated hydrocarbons, which are gases produced by the very compound that inhibits methane in Asparagopsis. This makes Dictyota a more sustainable choice. Seaweed-based methane reduction has already had a strong backing from companies like Chipotle and several other governments. Our plan is to begin in vitro lab trials, testing different Dictyota doses, partnering with groups like Future Feed for infrastructure and funding. With strong results, we'll move to in vivo trials on real cows, then farm pilots with smallholder farms in high-emission regions.
Each pilot can run on under 50K using current sustainability grants, making both practical and scalable options. Final impact? We're not just reducing emissions by one animal, we're tackling the source of 27% of global methane, and we're doing it with a solution that's natural, scalable, and designed to effectively put a dent in rising climate change.